It is about 2 o'clock a.m. and I am deciding to retreat for the evening. I wanted to give you a little bit of vision of what we've got going on. So I've mentioned before that we're in the process of doing a lot of projects on a house that we bought a few months ago. And one of the projects is this. So those are 2 pages curtains, and I hope that you can see them. But we are in the process of installing them. It has been a journey. Oh my gosh. Well, first of all, let me see if you can see the window. So those curtains that I've ordered are going to be all the way up there. And it's like 177 inches tall. So it has been a journey trying to get them up ourselves, but we're going to get it done. We're almost there. We're almost there. But I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what some of the late nights for us look like. This is our living room currently. So it is a hodgepodge of stuff. Santa Claus is in there. He'll be coming out soon. But we've just got stuff that we are in the process of installing. I'm going to give you a little glimpse of the tree. I know you've already seen it, but this is a tree. Yeah. Always getting into words of inspiration and encouragement there. But this is what we're doing. We've got these curtains almost there. We've gotten the hooks up there. We had to have 6 hooks because of the weight, just to make sure that it was going to be able to withstand it. Like I said, we've got some things that we're in the process of doing. So this is the foyer here. Foyer's pretty done, and I've already done the video for that. And so you've already seen that. And I want to mention something. I mentioned this lamp in the foyer video. I did not realize, look guys, it's the same as my door. How cool is that? So I didn't realize that until I was actually doing the video. But anyway, so just wanted to jump on really quick, show you guys what our late night tends to look like. We're almost there. We're almost completely set up in here. We've got some shelves that we're going to install on here. And I mentioned in that foyer video how we bought those cabinets that are at the front door to go beside the fireplace, and they don't work. So I'm still in search of finding something that will fit in that space. So it was a little bit disappointing. However, I love them. It works perfectly for the front door. I've got a second one that I'm going to have to see where I'm going to install it. I kind of don't really know where I'm going to put it right now. It may go in my guest bedroom as a console for just storing stuff. But that's kind of where I am now. So I'm going to show you the kitchen area too, to kind of let you see what we've done in here. So in the kitchen, we've put garland above. I've got some gift boxes up there. If you can see that, the garland's above the cabinets. I've got some over the refrigerator here. You can see that. And I'm going to show you the kitchen decor in a later video. So I don't want to show you the whole things, but I'm just going to give you an idea of some of the things that we've already done. And then I'm also going to show you a video of the front porch and of my back patio, because I haven't done a video for that yet. And then the final thing is going to be the reveal of our basement, because I mentioned before in one of the videos how we were getting flooring installed, and I think I have on that video I'm going to do how we did painting down there. We just did an overhaul, and when you see what the basement went from to what it is now. I'm going to say, I wish I could do a scratch and sniff. It was bad. It was really, really bad. Unfortunately, the prior owner of this property rented out her basement. And in doing so, we found out after we were in the process that that tenant had 5 dogs. 5. 3 large pit bulls and 2 Newfoundlands and several cats. I'm going to leave it right there. If I could do a scratch and sniff, you probably would be asking, what in the world made you decide to buy that property? However, we knew it was a fantastic deal. It was a great opportunity. I loved being able to restore this home because you could tell it was well loved. Unfortunately, the owner was a seasoned owner, and built this home. You could tell it was well loved. That was one thing that I could see for sure. And so to be able to restore it to its beauty, I could only imagine what she would think of it now. So I'm really excited about that. So it was a great opportunity. Well, I'm so grateful we took it, honestly. And even though some of my family members are like, girl, you crazy. As a matter of fact, one of my family members said, I would have come to the front door and ran. So that was the consensus of a lot of people. However, where it stands today, I am so proud and I'm so grateful that God blessed us with this opportunity. So I want you to stay tuned because I have a lot more videos coming. We're going to be doing the kitchen, as I said. You're going to see the front porch, the back patio. I've still got the family room that once I get it all together, I'm going to do that. And it may be the final reveal. And then I'm probably going to do a video home tour so that you can see the entire home with the befores and the afters. You're going to be shocked, but it's going to be good. And so I'm so excited. I hope that everyone is being safe and that you're enjoying your holiday season. You're spending time with your family. You're getting a lot of laughter in. You're eating some good food, not too much, but you're eating some good food. You're trying some different things, some different recipes, try some different punches and fruits and just all of it. Just enjoy every moment because time is short. And we just need to slow down. And I think if anything we learned was from COVID, that time is very important and it goes way too fast. So I hope that you're enjoying yourselves. If you like my videos, please don't forget to hit that like button. If you've not subscribed and you've been here before, or this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you're always a part of what we've got going on here, because I really want you to see we've got a lot planned and I'm really excited. But most importantly, I'm excited for you to be here. So thank you. I really appreciate you. I want to bless you with a happy holiday. Be Merry Christmas. Be joyful. Be at peace. And a Happy New Year. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care. Bye.